Now I am on the top of the red light hill. It's about 500 meter above from the ground. See, in front of me I clearly view the Albury city. It's a peaceful, quiet place for relaxing. Be careful, here is a high frequency electric communication equipment and antenna are mounted. It also called cell tower. It takes about 45 minutes to reach the top of the hill by walk. About 3.5 kilometer walking trail from the ground to the top of the hill. Therefore, it's bit impossible to show all the video footage on the walkway. I'm going to show one way, that means hilltop to the ground, bushwalks with natural beauty. Different kinds of trees, birds chirping, the tranquility of the forest. So let's go walking and talking. This hill named Red Light Hill. Actually, I don't know why this one is just the local people call this one. As well as I heard that it's called One Tree Hill. The location is Lavington, Springdale Heights. From Albury CBT to this hill, distance about 9 to 10 kilometer. If you want to come the top of the hill from ground without break, by walks, takes about 35 to 45 minutes, but I think it depends how fast you walk and how many times you take break between starting and finishing. Sometimes you will see a sharp slope and it was slippery because the loose stone and rock. So is be careful and must wear a good kits. Help you to protect the slip. The surrounding views are very awesome. There are many kinds of different kinds of trees. Actually, I afraid I can't tell all the names because I don't know personally. But mostly is a pine, eucalyptus, and different kinds of gums like red gum, flowering gum, scented gum, river red gum, silky oak, and pine. Do not forget to take water bottle with you. Even in a winter you will get in a sweat. It's a good place for exercise as well, who wants to be athletes and fit the body, but depends the capability, your strength and your body strength. Better come with groups instead of single because you will enjoy more, and as well as the security purpose. If you lucky, will see kangaroo sometimes. There are few private property in the hill. From the in the ground there are a car park, but there is no security. There is no security, so is totally is your responsibility. So far I didn't see any specific notice about activities in this hill and the bush. like what should you do and what shouldn't do, what you can do and what kind of activities you are not allowed. But so far my understanding, you can't do the barbecue here or the cooking anything, but you can bring something and you can have on the top of the hill, or on the between the hill, but there is no camping. Yeah, the green views are spectacular. The chirping of the bird you will enjoy. So I think everybody should try. See this stunning city from a different perspective and roam its glorious bushwalking tracks. More than just a good walk, bushwalking offers sights, smells, and sounds you can't get walking the day to day footpath. It's done in natural and green areas and offers the promise of unique plants and wildlife you would never spot on a city street. From paths that hug the trees to roots in majestic bushlands, Lavington has something for everyone to enjoy.
Ma'am, can you tell something about Australian fish and pond?
before you head out into the bush, make sure to brush up on these useful safety tips. Thank you.